Hey Siri, turn kitchen off.
Okay, the lights are off.
What? How you doing? Good to see you, Lamar Wilson here. We're back for another video.
I heard it was haunted back here. Yeah.
Mom, you still talking dumb.
No, it's haunted back here.
I can't.
For real.
Y'all scared? Y'all wanna go home?
I ain't scared.
Ain't nobody scared. Let's go.
You scared?
Better not. Come on now.
Nest thermostat. I have the Ring doorbell, and now I have a bunch of Philips Hue lights.
Who are you?
Let's go. Like, he tripping for nothing.
And as you can't see now, but I'll show you. As you've seen in my other videos, these are lights that go into the ceiling. Let's just go ahead and open them. I haven't even. I'm just talking. Oh yeah.
Yo, what that sign say?
Beware. Beware what, man?
Man, ain't nobody worrying about that.
Man, that's good.
Hey, but I know that dude
Anyway,
back there was tripping.
And I like good trees. Smoke so much weed you wouldn't believe. And I get more ass than a toilet seat. 3 to the 1.
Night mode.